Effects of geographical discoveries. The discovery of Atlantic Ocean as a result of geographical explorations provided a new sea route to the east, and soon it became the chief highway of commerce. With this, the Baltic Sea and the Mediterranean Sea, which were the major commercial highways, lost their importance. This in turn led to the rise of number of new commercial centers like London, Lisbon and Amsterdam. The geographical explorations led to the emergence of absolute monarchies in Europe. The middle classes, which had become important due to expansion of commerce, needed the support for the rulers for their protection, and so they provided finances to the rulers to fight against the feudal nobles. This helped the monarchs in most part of the Europe to establish their political supremacy. The geographical discoveries had established the superiority of West over the East. The Western powers considered themselves to be superior to the natives of Asia and Africa, and they took upon themselves the responsibility of civilizing the uncivilized population of the world, which they termed as white man's burden. In this process, a number of native cultures were abolished and replaced with the Western culture. The geographical discoveries gave rise to colonialism and imperialism. After the discoveries of new territories, a large number of Europeans immigrated to these territories and established their respective colonies. They established their political control over them and began ruling over them. Thus, colonies were established by the Portuguese, the Dutch, the French, and the English in different parts of Asia, Africa, and America. These imperialistic countries began exploiting the natives. Often, the colonial powers imposed restrictions on these colonies not to trade with other foreign countries and tried to exploit their economics to promote the interest of mother country. Often these colonies were asked not to manufacture goods which were produced by the mother countries so that there would be no competition. The geographical discoveries encouraged maritime activities and trade between Europe and East. The Europeans began to import spices, Indian textiles, Persian carpets, etc. from the East in large quantities. Similarly, they began to ship huge quantities of fish, fur, and timber from America. On the other hand, they began to export a number of European manufactured goods to Asia, Africa, and America, where the various European powers set up their colonies. This enormous growth in commercial activities led to the creation of credit institutions, commercial banks, and other instruments. They lowered the taxes on their own industries but increased it in the colonies. The imperialist countries also passed the Navigation Acts to develop the shipping industry, and very effort was made to extract maximum trade concession from the colonies. The colonial trade was exploitative and one-sided, which led to the political, cultural, and economic exploitation of the colonies. The geographical discoveries led to the establishment of Columbian system of exchange. It was a system named after Columbus, according to which the plants, animals, and ideas of Europe and New World were exchanged with one another. Thus, the Europeans brought cattle, horses, and sheep to the New World, and from the New World, the Europeans received tobacco, silk, spices, and precious stones. Thus, the geographical discoveries had initiated a new beginning in the world history. It brought the world closer with interaction among the people from different countries, which led to the emergence of a modern world.